Everyone. So today we'll see network software in the topic in the first unit of computer networks, network software. So network software is nothing but a broad range of software used for design, implementation, operation and monitoring of computer networks. So in the previous video we have seen what is network hardware. In the same way, network software is nothing but it is a broad range of software. So it is a broad range of software which is used for design. It is used for design, implementation, operation and it monitors the computer network. Okay, so let's see what are the functions of network software. First one is it helps to set up and install computer network. So what does it do? It helps to set up and install computer networks. It enables network software enables network users to access resources. So it enables users to access network resources also. Next one is it allows administration to add or remove users from the network. So it allows administration to add or remove users from the network. Okay, next one is it helps to define location of data storage. So it also helps to locate where the data is stored and all. Now the next one is software defined networking frame. So SDN, software defined networking, is also called as SDN framework. Okay, so SDN framework is nothing but it is divided in three types. That is, first one is application layer, second one is control layer, third one is infrastructure layer. Application layer, control layer and infrastructure layer. Application layer is nothing but business application, control layer, networking, operating system, networking services. So you just have to remember this thing or this three so that you can write it in the exam clearly. These three layers you have to remember: application layer, control layer, infrastructure layer. And while explaining in the definitions, I'll explain you what exactly these are. Okay, first is application layer. SDN application resides in the application layer. So software defined networking application resides in the application layer. So it is the part of application layer. Next is the applications convey their needs and resources for services to the control layer through APIs. APIs are nothing but application program interface. So what it is saying is the applications convey. So they what do these application layer do? They convey their needs and resources for services. Okay, for services to the control layer through APIs. So they convey to control layer. Okay, so they convey to control layer through application program interface, APIs, right? Now next one is control layer. Control layer is nothing but the control layer represents centralized SDN controller software that acts as a brain of software defined network. Okay, let's understand this. The control layer represents, so we know the control layer represents as centralized SDN. SDN is software design networking. Okay, layer represents centralized SDN controller software that acts as, why does it act? It acts as the brain of software defined network. So it acts as brain of software defined network, right? Next point is this controller resides on a server and manages policy and traffic flows throughout the network. So what work does it do? This controller resides on a server. So it resides, like it depends on a server and it manages policies and traffic flows through the network. So whatever traffic flow is there, it manages or it controls throughout the network. Okay, next is infrastructure layer. Infrastructure layer is nothing but this layer is made up of the physical switches in the network. So it is made up of physical switches. Okay, this layer is made up of the physical switches in the network. Next is these switches forward the network traffic to their destination. So here the it manages the traffic flows throughout the network. Here these switches forward the network traffic to their destination. So after control layer they send to infrastructure and here this those switches are getting forwarded to their destinations. I hope it is clear. Thank you.